Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to create this type of Google app script to show the result from Google Sheets. You can find the this source code from descriptions, and you can find the guidelines in video. Then you can easily create this type of applications. Okay friends, you can see there is a student ID. Okay, now I am going to search one student ID 2005, submit. Then you can find the result. So today we are going to discuss about this type of application. Okay friends, so let's start with working with Google scripts. I'm going to create a Google app script for this Google Sheets. Click on tools, sorry, click on extensions. You can see app script, click on this one. Okay, you can see this window. So I already renamed this one ILTL mock text. Whatever name you want to you can put here. Okay, now I am going to create a two file. One is the HTML file. You can find this coding file from descriptions. Please go to the description and find the links. You can download these two files. Okay, now I click on files, click on HTML. Okay, I'm going to create an index HTML according to my source code. Index, no need to put HTML. Enough to put index, they will automatically add HTML code, HTML extension. Okay friends, now I open the source codes. I go to the index. Okay, then I copy this one. This is a search page which I designed using simple coding. Now I am going to put this code here, delete everything and put this one. Okay, we created index HTML. Now I am going to create a script file. Click on script. Then I rename this file as what we want to replace, code. Okay, now I am going to script file. Its name is code. Okay, code. No need to put any extensions, they will add extension automatically. Okay, code gs file, not a js, this is a gs Google script file. You can find this file from a download folder. I put as a .js. If I put js, it will easily to open in notepad++. Okay, now I am going to open this js file, but okay, copy everything and paste here. Please delete every coding here and paste it. Okay friends, now I am going to explain where you want to change. Okay, you can find the spreadsheet ID. According to your sheet, you can change this one. Replace your Google Sheet ID below. I put a comment here. How to find your Google Sheet ID? You can go to the open the Google Sheets, and then you can see the address bar. Then d slash, and this is the your page ID. Okay, you can go to the start form after d slash, and before edit slash you can stop. Then you can copy this page ID and paste here. Okay, also you can change the I want to put the comment here. Replace your page, copy and paste here. replace your Google Sheet name below. Sheet. Okay, friends, you want to change the this one according to your Google Sheet name. I put here exam because my page Google Sheet name is exam. If you use the another page name, you can put the page name. Okay, we will link the page ID here and then page name here. You can find the page name here easily. Okay friends, now I am going to add the columns. This is the column A B C D, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns there. I want to show the when someone search the student ID, I want to show the name and marks for the each component: writing, listening, reading and speaking, and overall IELTS bands. Okay friends, student ID is the first one, a columns, so I put the a column as here, a column object, I put this variable for the a column. Okay, so B for the name and C for the list writing, D for the listing, E for the reading, speaking. Likewise I put the all columns here. Okay, now I am going to create the result table here. So okay, so you can download this code and you can easily find the these names. First one, column name A, column name A. What is the column name A? Student ID. Okay, instead of student ID I am going to change column labels later. I want to show this one. Okay, I want to, okay, let's change the column names according to table name. Column name is student ID. I put the student ID here, the student ID. Okay, column B. What is the column B? Column B is the name. I copy here. You can all copy and paste your own name. Column B name. Okay, column C. What is the column C? Column C is writing. Column C is writing. Column C name. Call C. Okay, paste writing name writing column. Then we want to find column C. First is student ID. The column B is the name. Column C is the writing. Column D is, what is the column D? Listing. Copy and whatever columns name you can put here. Okay, column D. What's the column E? Reading. You can customize your code. This is the demonstration only. I think you download this code and create your own one, own script. Okay, reading column E. What's the column if speaking? Okay. Okay friends, yes, column if this one. Okay, I can put here paste. Okay, speaking. Okay, okay, last one, column G. Column G, I want to, I will put the brand. So overall IELTS band. So I will put short, I want to short it, and I want to G as paste IELTS. I will put IELTS rank. Okay. Okay, friends. Now I complete the working in a script. First, I change the page name, page ID, Google Sheet ID, then page set the page name, and then put the variable and create table with using variable and put the values in table. Okay, now I am going to deploy this code. Please look carefully. Okay, index HTML there, code is there. If you want to create other page instead of index HTML, please change here page name. Okay, friends, so now I am going to save all of these things. Okay, save. Okay, now I am going to run and check there is any. Okay, authorizations required. If you want to run first times, they will review your permissions. Click on, then you want to log in your account. Okay, advanced. Okay, hello. Now I am going to deploy this one. Click on deploy new project. Then you can find the select type web apps. I can description IELTS exam. Okay, then execute as me and change this one as anyone. Be careful if you find anyone with Google accounts. Everyone want to log into their Google account to use this web page. Okay, therefore I will put anyone and click on deploy. Okay, it will take little times. Okay, this is script. After deploy, copy. Okay, working. It is working. Okay, I change the numbers and submit. You can find the student ID, names, and marks for the examinations. I think you can follow these steps and very easily create this app. So if you have any questions, you can comment below. We can discuss those questions, and I try to help you. Please subscribe my channels. I am new to YouTube. So this is my very first long video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion and comment, please put your idea as a comment. Thank you very much.